Oga Ken.
Annabelle.
Oga Ken.
Annabelle. Yeah, okay, what kind of stupid disrespect is that? How can you feel eating in this house and leave your plate for me to wash?
What is my business with the kitchen now? Eh?
Your business with the kitchen?
Am I supposed to wash the plates? Is that not your job? Why are you forcing me to do what I'm not supposed to do?
Atanama. All these Gen Z girls. If not that your mother, when she brought you, she gave you to me. If not, I would have given you a dirty slap now.
You want to slap me?
Yes, I will slap you.
Slap me. Slap me. Slap me.
How can you finish eating and you leave your plate for me to wash?
Am I supposed to be the one to wash the plate?
Yes, you're supposed to.
Is it my job? Eh? It's my job to take care of the rest of the house. What's my business with the kitchen?
It's your business, oh.
No, this one you are talking. I don't
you're talking to me now. If I don't senior you now, I ain't 20 years in Characha.
It's not about
you.
I'm not going anywhere. You cannot force me to. I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go to the kitchen now. Hey. Oh. Good morning, sir. Hey. Okay. Yeah? What? Bro! What are you standing there doing? Can't call the doctor, Ewu?
Why are you shouting now? Why are you shouting at me?
What are you doing there? Can't you see what is happening to him?
I can see it.
I'm not playing with you. Come on, are you a wizard?
You can't.
Are you a wish?
You can't tell me what to do.
Come on, get call the doctor. And man.
No.
Prof.
I'm only calling the doctor because I want to call the doctor. Not because
Prof. Hey. Prof. And Prof. Hey. That's my last it. Fear! Hi! Azobakwa.
What's that one supposed to mean?
What is what supposed to mean? Am I talking to you? It's you that caused this thing.
How is it my fault?
You are the one that caused it.
So wait, are you...
If you had gone to wash the plates when I asked you to wash the plates, we would not be in this situation. Prof wouldn't have fainted. But remember, me CK, Gen Z behavior. I say 1, you say 10.
Wait, you are blaming me for what happened to...
Are you not the one that caused it?
You see why I always like you? Everything that you say is always foolish. You don't have any sensible thing to say.
That I'm senseless.
That's how you want to interpret it. Doc, what's the update?
Prof has been drinking too much.
That man's lung can run marathon. I don't understand. The man is always smoking.
It is really painful. But that is why you and Ken are here to help him.
Yes, sir. We are trying our best.
You see, Ken, I heard that you two are fighting.
Sir, this man is very annoying.
It's
very annoying. Every time he's always telling me what to do.
No respect whatsoever.
See, the reason why you two are here is to help Prof to recover. Not here to fight. Please.
You should be telling her.
You talk to him.
Tell her.
You seem like you're supposed to be telling.
Please, you two should watch on Prof. Make sure he takes his medication.
Yeah, doctor. I say, this Prof sickness, what is the main cause? I know you have talked about drinking, but it is sure not going here coitus cause. It can be coitus, so because the way he's going pium. I'm suspecting terminal something down there. Is it a coitus? Is it the...
You will be asking stupid questions.
Which is stupid?
How is he supposed to answer that kind of question?
We'll be here on Monday. This man will
you always say foolish things.
Oh, you saying foolish things. Don't think about legs.
You always say foolish things.
I'm saying you are still there. Yes, you're still there. What did I ask there now? Because all these women, Prof, is just carrying every day one. Let him not carry and give person. Yeah, come on, arrange this living room also, so.
Baby
See, I'm still low. It didn't even call me. Hey!
What is it?
You never do.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? So, because the owner of the house is sick, we are now bringing in women up and down, Abi? Eh? Oh! Auntie? What are you doing here now? Eh? What are you doing in the middle of the day with this cook? Want to chook your eye inside his eye? Eh? Come. I thought you were a charge and bail lawyer. You don't even have taste in men. That's the worst part of the whole thing. Eh? What are you doing with this man? You want to chook your eye inside his eye? Excuse you. Excuse you?
This man. Eh? A common cook. I've told you before that the day that one of your tooth will fall down, is for me slap.
Yeah, as you are like this, you slap me.
What do you want? What are you doing here?
That is why I'm here. You like continue. Eh?
Come now, okay?
Hey.
Yo, beautiful lady, what's up? Hey, listen now. I'm being a haste now.
What is it?
Why are you acting like you're not seeing someone? Hey, listen now. Don't act like that now.
Why are you touching me?
Because I like you.
You like who?
Stop looking at me like that. I know you like me too.
I beg.
See, I got money. I'll take care of you. I don't know what you're doing.
Please, can you just stop touching me? What is it now? Eh?
See this bag you're seeing here? Money.
I beg.
Look, this is, you see?
See.
Made money.
I have
I will spoil you silly.
Please, oh. I don't know anything, no. I'm still a small girl. All these ones you are talking is not my business.
Hey, listen now. See, even the Bible says we should school them when they are young, so they won't depart when they grow.
Are you mad?
Let me take care of you.
No, are you mad? Eh?
I'm trying to be good to you.
Leave my sight. I said leave my sight. What is your problem?
Come on. First attempt, no bad now. We'll try again tomorrow.
That is so interesting. Yes. Sit down.
Thank you.
It's wonderful.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Annabelle.
Sir?
Have you met Christabel?
No, sir.
All right. This is Christabel, my realtor.
Your...
What I mean is she's my agent. My real estate agent. She's in charge of all my properties.
Oh, okay, sir. Welcome, Auntie.
You can call me Christabel.
Tell Ken to prepare something for her to eat.
He's already doing that, sir.
That's good. Christabel, that is Annabelle. She's a new housekeeper. She's very hardworking.
Oh. She is? Or you mean she is very hardworking on the other side?
What other side?
Come on, Prof. You know what I'm talking about.
Get your mind out of the gutter. She's a good girl.
A good girl. I guess she is very good on the other side.
Tell me about the troublesome tenant. I hope you have served him a notice to vacate the property.
Not yet, but the lawyer is on it, and I'm going to pick it up on my way.
Wait, why is it taking you forever to deal with a tenant that I heard is constituting nuisance around the estate? Huh? Look, I want that hooligan locked up behind bars, if that is what it will take.
Prof, trust me, I will take care of it.
Trust you? I have trusted you like forever. But the idiot is freely cascading around the estate in his pride. Huh? And parading freely and untouched. Look here, you're beginning to sell me some sort of ineptitude. And I don't like it.
Prof. Calm down. Come on. Trust me. I will take care of it.
You better do your job.
I will. And while we are at that, it's Freaky Friday. And I am free for the night.
Look. I have told you to stop flirting around with me in public.
Calm down.
No. Look. Get to your job, alright? Do your job. Huh?
I will, Prof.
Better.
Sir.
Yeah.
Oga Ken said that he asked if I should, if you want juice with the food.
Wouldn't be a bad idea, you know. Maybe an orange juice or pineapple flavor. Or maybe a mix of both, you know.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
You
No. She's already on her way out, eh? Thank you.
Sir.
Oh, yes, my dear.
This is the smoothie you asked for.
Wow.
You like it?
Yes. It's so nice and it's very fruity.
I knew you like it.
Yes, I do.
Oh, good evening, remember.
Oh, Ken. She made me some smoothie.
Prof, you should have at least waited for me to come back to make you smoothie now. What does she know how to cook, Kwan?
You don't cook smoothie, alright? Allow the girl be. And from the taste of this, I think she did a very wonderful job.
She did not do any good job. What she's trying to do is to take my job, sir.
No. Cut her some slack. Would you? Please, go in and do some other thing. This is nice.
Thank you, sir.
She should not be doing my job.
Cut her some slack again.
What's this? Why you What's this now? Leave me now. Why are you dragging my hand like that?
I have seen serpents, spiders and scorpions. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. I want one.
What did I do?
What didn't you do? What did you not do?
What am I doing? I don't understand. You just dragged me here and you started talking about a serpent and spider.
How would you understand? Eh? How would you understand? So you don't know what you're doing? Have you ever done anything right since you came here? Mba! But the first thing now that you're attempting to do is to take my job from me. Or where?
Oh! Because Prof asked me to do something for him.
I don't care. I don't care what Prof asked you to do. Okay, for my uncle Mike now, I don't want it at home.
But wait, if Prof asks me to do something for him, will I
do your job? Do your job. Okay, if you can't help or give the do it. You said my job is in kitchen, Abi. Kitchen business. Leave kitchen business. Let me do kitchen business. Eh?
But Prof asked me to do something for him.
Annabelle, day your day, make a day my day.
I don't understand all this talk that you are talking. I don't understand. Okay, Ken, come and explain yourself. Food now, Okay, Ken, see my food now. No protein, no meat, no egg, no nothing. See how you're just looking empty.
What have you done that you're looking for meat inside your food?
What kind of question is that now? Am I a slave?
You're not different from one now.
Okay, Ken.
My friend, would you get eat that food and stop disturbing me?
What's going on here?
Hey, Prof.
Thank you, Prof. Okay, Ken, yes, served me food without putting protein. No meat, no egg, no nothing. Just gave me rice like that.
Yeah.
Am I good?
What's your side of the story?
Sir, there's no side of the story other than that I took my time. I was sweating in the kitchen like a Christmas goat to prepare this sumptuous meal and serve Queen Annabelle, only for her to be complaining, no egg, no meat, no nothing inside.
Is this the matter?
It's a yes.
Oh. Okay, you wanted to report to the Prof. You see that Prof cannot do anything. As far as this family...
Come on, put this inside this food, otherwise I'll go and take meat from that pot.
Which pot? Yeah, Annabelle. If I slap you.
What is your problem now? If I wanted to talk to you, or if I wanted us to talk, I would have given you the opportunity to. Why are you disturbing my life?
But you don't even know me. You don't know what my intentions towards you are.
Hi.
I'm not that kind of... Just listen to me.
Don't you live in this estate? I know you. I know your face. You live in this estate, don't you?
Is there any problem with me living in this estate? Should I live in the bush? You also live in this estate and we both live in this estate. See, I understand you have your fears, alright? And it's very fine to be scared of whatever you are scared of, whatever it is that you've seen before. But I am not that kind of a guy. Just listen.
Please, let's keep our hands to ourselves, That's number one. Number two, stay away from me.
Why?
Stay away from me.
Why?
Please, I don't want problem,
But I love you. I'm not a problem now.
Love who?
You
can't love me.
Why?
See, I have something to do inside, I have to do something inside.
Can we just settle this once?
We can't. We can never again. This should not repeat itself, Please.
Hi. God, my head will burst. Why is this guy giving me a hard time?
Yeah. Annabelle. All these small chewing gum boys that you are following, how far?
Hey.
So that's your new job description, to be following the boys.
Which boys? So because I'm talking to somebody, does not become I'm talking to boys. When you are talking with your child and bail lawyer, do you see me around querying you like I'm your mother? Are you my father?
Yes, I'm your father. I'm your father. Since your mother brought you, she put your hand in my hand and said, okay, help me be looking after her. He has made me your father in this situation. When you I know why I'm saying these things, though. I know why I'm saying the things I am saying. You see, Prof, I have been with him for more than 10 years now. These are the kind of things that can make him fire people.
You've been with Prof for more than 10 years. And you are looking like a church rat.
Oh. Church rat?
Are you not ashamed when you open your mouth to say these things? Have you seen yourself? Have you looked into the mirror and looked yourself head to toe?
Ashamed. Ashamed that I'm working with Prof. Even when you're Prof, a Prof of timber and caliber with steez and composure. Me ashamed I'm working with him?
Yes. Are you not ashamed of working with prof, with steez and composure of high caliber? Eh? You see how we're looking? I'm like a common... check mirror. Look at yourself.
I don't understand. How am I looking? My feet is not complete. Huh? With all this... Okay. Me, Kenneth, Owemboji, with all this my steez and this thing is my title. That when you make it see.
You want to slap
You don't know that I'm a titled man?
I don't know.
Yeba, I'm not done talking to you. I don't want to see you with all those drink-on boys again.
Mind your business. You talk to your business. Mind your business. You're not my friend.
Okay. Let me see how they will come out.
Yes, come in.
Sir,
What is it with the constant bickering between the two of you?
Sir, I don't know. He's the one always looking for trouble.
See, you kids went a lot when you were enamored with each other.
Sir. I don't know what you're talking about though. I'm just a small girl.
Drop my shoes. You can go. That girl looks young and ready. I'll have you one day. Yeah. I'm here to make you happy.
So what do you mean by happy?
Shh, stop talking. You and I are going to have fun.
Sir, I don't want to. I'm not interested. Please just go. Go.
Go where? This is my house.
This is my room, sir.
Yes, your room. Inside my house. So, and you know I overpay you.
Is this why you overpay me?
One of the reasons why. So relax, eh? Annabelle. Annabelle.
Where to? Eh? This girl. You sure say you don't be a one like this? Because how you have been manifesting this past few days, I don't understand. See your room here now, where you run the door by this time of the night. Hi! When this girl will carry him come this house, she just do what the wedge. Nah, she don't cook for water. What's the way we go see for this perfume in the month?
Sir.
Hello? Christabel. Where are you? You can go. I'm not ending this call anytime soon. I'll call you back. Yeah, hello? Yes, I'm home. Yeah, I would like a copy of that. Yes. Why not drop by the house? Okay. Wonderful. All right. Yeah.
You, before you say anything, just tell me how you got my number. Eh?
But does it really matter right
Yes,
now?
it matters.
How?
And I thought I told you not to show your face here again. What are you doing here?
No, you know genuinely that I love you. Why are you treating me like this? Why? Why are you chasing me away like every time? Why?
What's up, man? Hello, baby. What's up?
And who is this cockroach? Like, where the hell did you come from?
You wanna know?
Of course.
Well, this man you're seeing right here is Mr. Sean Money. And she's my girl. So, what's up with you?
Did you hear him?
You didn't tell him anything?
Before I close my eyes and open my eyes, both of you leave this place.
Get out, man. You heard
She
her.
made a mistake. You leave this place.
I'm talking to the both of you.
Get out. Get out,
You know what? I
man.
don't even have time for this rubbish.
And
Hey! Wait. So you are running away now
I'm
because
not
you saw
running
me.
away. I'm
eh?
not running.
Yo, what's up, pa? How you doing, man?
Onyekwa? Osno palo, onye bu ya pa. Ọ dị ka ị na-apụ mmemme maggot.
Well, this man you're seeing right here is Mr. Sean Money. Big money, man. I got it.
Wole money with your cheap dog chain.
Man, I'm here for this girl, okay? She's my girlfriend. My wife to be.
Yeah, Annabelle, you now have boyfriend.
Oh, that's her name? Annabelle? Thanks, man. You know.
Will you get out of here?
Go what I wanted now.
Where are you going?
exactly.
My friend?
Yes.
Where are you going?
He has to leave. Thank you very much. You see, while he was talking, I did not say anything because
Who are you?
I am actually Annabelle's boyfriend. She knows. You can ask her. So we can go inside. Let's
Are you mad?
Will you get
Eh?
from there?
we can go inside and sit.
Yeah,
Can you just tell him? Mad how?
If I see you here again, your name will be dog shit. Are you hearing me now?
Annabelle, did you just hear him call me dog shit? Annabelle!
Leave this place for me.
What am I?
Sir, please, you need to leave. You need to go back.
Annabelle, Anna sweet. Stop behaving like a child.
Sir, I'm going to scream.
For who to hear and come? Ken? He knows he can't cross the line.
What line?
I don't bite.
Sir, is Christabel not enough for you? Do you have to be doing all of this?
What are you saying? Christabel is my realtor.
No, I know she's more than that.
Ah, you are jealous.
No, I'm not jealous. I just want you to leave my room. Please leave my room, sir.
Because you're jealous.
No. I don't want to have anything to do with an old man.
That is offensive if you ask me, Annabelle. But guess what? I forgive you.
Sir, leave me alone. Leave me. Sir, leave me.
Wait.
No, leave me alone,
Wait.
sir.
Annabelle! Yeah! Annabelle!
What kind of girl is this, Biko? Eh? What kind of problem is this one? Anyway, me, I've tried. More Kennedy, I've tried. What is this in here? I don't know.
a player. Everything else gets catches his eyes. He's a player.
Ken? Ken?
Sir! Hey. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
You got the money I sent you, right?
Hi. Sir, I got it.
It's going to be enough for you to restock the kitchen, right?
Hey, more than enough. Thank you, sir.
I'll be stepping out now.
Okay, should I?
No, don't worry. I'll drive myself. Go back in and continue your shows. By the way, where is Annabelle?
Annabelle? I don't know.
Why are you sounding like that?
Annabelle. Because she's not the girl you used to know. Annabelle has joined Bad Gang.
What?
If you see the amount of boys she's now following in this estate, sir.
Alright. Ensure that she sees me before the end of today.
You know if she comes back today, sir. She might not come back before the end of today. It might be tomorrow morning or later tomorrow day.
She does not have anywhere to go to and she doesn't have anybody to meet. Don't worry.
Okay, sir, no problem. Sir, when your pocket never run dry. Breakfast is almost ready. Do you?
Enjoy your meal.
Marry. Annabelle.
Oh my God. Why are you screaming? Well, my baby sent me 500k for allowance.
Jesus Christ. Yes! 500 what? K? Wait, you mean Mervin sent you 500k? This is so... Oh babe, please. Which one is Melvin again? That one? Can he even boast of 100k? Melvin, my foot. Wait, so this is all about Prof? Babe. What? Why don't you just focus on your job and let the other job pay? He's already paying you massively for being his rector. And what other job are you talking about? Christabel, don't play the dumb card with me. You and I know what I'm talking about. Well, I don't know, so tell me. Christabel. Melvin, what are you doing here? You should have at least called to tell me you were coming.
Babe, you've not been picking up my calls. You don't even reply to my text. How do you expect me to call you?
Well, you should have tried at least. Anyway, I have somewhere to go. See ya.
For real?
Christabel. Please sit.
You know, I keep thinking, where does Christabel get all the money she spends? Like, I mean, look at the things she do. How does she keep up with this lifestyle? You need to tell me something.
Melvin, there's nothing to be afraid of. You know, Christabel is a very hardworking lady. Everything she has, she works so hard for it. So, I don't know what else you want me to tell you.
You know, Kate, I kind of think there's something either you or Christabel isn't telling me right now.
And what could that be? Melvin, when you begin to look for fruits in your relationship, be rest assured that you will find one. And maybe you might not be happy with what you will say.
And that's the point. What exactly I don't know that I need to know?
Whatever you think exists only in your mind. It is not real. If you think Christabel is cheating on you, it is a pure lie. If that's where you are driving at. Christabel, yes, girl? What's wrong with you? Why are you torturing this guy like this? What has he done to you? Are you giving up on him already?
I beg you, I am not giving up on anybody. But I will torture that guy until he gives up on himself.
Wait, is this all about Prof?
You know.
You are even dressed up already. I know you are going to see the Prof.
We are done here. See you.
Christabel, before you realize what you're doing to yourself, it will be too late.
Okay, Mom.
I don't know what's wrong with this girl.
Yeah?
This is now, eh? Just enter without knocking. I don't want trouble today, please.
Entered without knocking. Did you carry any room into this house? What was that stunt you pulled last night? And where were you?
How's your business?
How is it my business? It's my business because I'm in charge of you. I'm taking care of you. I'm overseeing your well-being in this house.
Okay.
The next time you leave this house without prior notice at such odd hours, from there like that, carry your bag and be going to your mother's house. Is that understood?
But it's not your business now, eh? How does it bother you?
I even served you food. I served you, you not eat it.
I'm not hungry, I don't want.
You're not hungry. How is that one my business? Whether you chop or you no chop. Now me also they wait for. No be me now. Also will deal with you.
Are you the one telling me what you want to tell me?
Anyway, Prof say anytime you come back, you should come and see him. The way I'm looking at you, you're not okay. What's the problem?
I'm okay. Nothing is the problem.
You know that you can talk to me.
I'm fine. I said I'm okay.
There's nothing.
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay.
You know, so just take it easy and, apply some decorum.
Prof, I'm scared.
You have no reason to be scared. You see, that unlettered, untutored, illiterate cannot do anything for you. The person you claim you love, look, he won't do anything if I don't pay him at the end of the month.
Prof,
Yes.
I've never loved Ken because of the things he can do for me.
All right. Take a spin. Come on, go on. You see what we're talking about? Huh? See, you are too pretty, too intelligent, too lettered to be with that non-entity. Huh? Look, be with me and I'll care for you. I will.
Prof, I can't. I love him. Please.
200,000?
He's a player. Everything on skate catches his eyes. He's a player. You wanna have every woman around him. He's a player.
Welcome. Christabel, what's going on? Christabel, what is the problem? What is wrong with you? What is the problem?
Prof is beginning to get on my very last nerve. Can you imagine that?
What happened?
We had a date, I waited for 3 hours and he never showed up.
Are you sure he's okay? Maybe he's in a kind of trouble or something.
Oh, please. He's not in any trouble. This is not the first time Prof is doing this to me. I'm so angry right now.
Christabel, please, you need to calm down.
Babe,
What? Get out.
what's going on? Why?
Mervyn, please. It's really not a good time.
See, I don't care. Christabel, you have to start speaking to me right now, or you can kiss this relationship goodbye.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Fine. Goodbye.
Fine?
Yes, fine.
I'm done with this.
Mervyn,
cares?
please come back. Christabel, what is wrong with you?
Oh, please, you all should leave me alone.
What has come over? You're not thinking straight.
I said leave me alone, Kate.
Mervyn! Mervyn, please stop!
Annabelle. Hope there's no problem. Come in. Okay.
Do you have a minute?
Talk what you want to talk and go.
Okay. I know we started off on the wrong foot, so I just want us to stop fighting. Let's just stop all these arguments and everything.
Annabelle,
Yes.
this your peacekeeping mission. I hope there's no more to it.
Oga Ken, I just want us to stop all this fighting so we can become friends, and then we can be telling ourselves anything.
Okay, to become friends, Abi. No problem. Actually, all these things I'm doing is because of my love for you. Like a brother will love his younger sister. So, no problem. You say we should become friends. We're not friends. Or you can go.
Actually, now that we are friends, I want us to talk. Maybe as we're friends, we can talk.
The friendship has not even started. You have started demanding. Come on, we go. I don't want Prof to see you here.
Okay, I actually have something to tell you.
Something like what?
The thing is about me.
Annabelle, come on, go.
Listen,
I don't want Prof to
this
see you.
is important.
I don't want. Yeah, we can always talk later now. I won't even sleep.
Annabelle? Annabelle, you better come out because tonight is the night and it's your night. Annabelle. 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 This girl is not here. By this time of the night, Annabelle, wherever you are, I must find you. I must find you.
Annabelle, get in, remember? It's almost 1 a.m.
I can't go inside. I can't see.
You cannot go back to your room. Ochicha Deba. Rat!
I remember I wanted to tell you something, but you shunned me.
Oh. It's true. Shit, man. Oh, I remember. Sorry. Just, Prof. Now, at least, only us are here. What happened?
It's Prof.
Prof, what? Did he say he's going to sack you?
No. He's been He's been trying to have his way with me. Like, he wants to sleep with me.
Prof wants to sleep with you.
I'm so scared of going back to that room. In fact, that's why you see me on this chair. And this place too, really, I'm just uncomfortable here. I don't know what to do.
Azubakwa, this man. So everything is scared, including you, that you are young enough to be his daughter. No, I can't take this lightly. I have to talk to him now. I have to.
No, Oga Ken. Hey, Oga.
I want to talk to you about something. It's very important.
I am not in the perfect mood for all of this. But I could spare you some minutes. What is it?
Okay, ma, I will not take your time. Sir, please, what I want to say now, don't just take it like a son talking to his father. You know, like I'm like a son to you. And I'm sure you see me like that.
Go straight to the point.
Okay. It's about the girls, so you know that normally when you bring your girls to the house, I don't think that's fair. I don't put my mouth how you want to do, you know, you do. But this recent one, Annabelle is still a small girl now. Why? This girl is like a daughter to you. When you're not if go on errands, it's not good now. It doesn't look good on your steez and composure. No. You can do anything you want, but this one, danger. As na so kata eza anya, ekpuru nkata n'ihu bụ eze okwu. Ọ dị njọ. Anyị na just na wo nwoke na ana, o make your sense. Just sit down. Go.
Ekpere ebe ọ bụ ngwọrọ n'ime Chineke, ekpere ebe ọ bụ ngwọrọ aga m agwọ ya ọzọ. Ekpere ebe ọ bụ ngwọrọ n'ime Chineke, ekpere ebe ọ bụ ngwọrọ aga m agwọ ya ọzọ.
Afa nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ, ekpebie m na taa ga-aga nke ọma n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Onye kwa na interrupt. Good morning, sir. What is this, sir? $. So this is plenty of money. What is this one for again?
I want to thank you for the last 10 years.
Sir?
Your services are no longer required. I want you to pack your bags and leave my house.
Hey. Sir, no now. No now. Leave your house and go where, Kwan. Sir, 10 years of my life I've been here. Market from here, church from here, errands from here. I have nowhere to go. Sir, don't worry, please. Okay, is it because of last night? Hey, don't bother about those things I was saying. I was just overreacting. Sir, please.
Are you trying to guilt trip me?
Sir, please don't do this. Don't do this. I have nowhere else to go. Please, I will serve you.
You see, that is $5,000. It should be enough to last you a lifetime.
Hey.
You have less than a day to leave my house.
Sir, you're serious. Sir, you're serious. Sir, go!
cannot remember what you saw. Okay, Sureje. Okay, Sureje. Why do I want to find work now? Eh? In this economy, by the time I go to street now, $5,000 don't finish now. What am I going to do? Hey! Oh, Chimo, if I can just wait for Roketa. Help! I would have just shut this my big mouth. I would have just shut my mouth, waiting concern me, concern Chief and in guess now. Oh, my mother. No!
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. Sir.
Look, so now you and Ken are now close? I thought the two of you were not talking terms.
That's not the point, sir. The point is that you're trying to punish an innocent man for nothing.
Oh, he is now innocent. I thought he was one proud illiterate, according to your words.
Sir, I never said that.
Well, I have made my decision, and it is final.
Sir. Okay, fine. I'll do whatever you want. I won't reject you anymore. Only on the condition that you let him stay.
That is so sweet! Look, I will hold you by your words. I am not joking.
Sir, I knew everything I said.
So we have a deal?
It will be a deal if you don't collect the money you gave to him.
That is not a deal.
Sir, it's part of the deal, sir.
Ken. How are you?
Sir?
How are you? You know, when diligence meets hard work, excellence is the end product. 10 years of your service here has been wonderful. And I hope you don't mind adding more years to it. You have been reinstated. In other words, please continue to serve me. Yes.
Hi. Thank you, sir. Because I've just been here thinking, if you really do this to me.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Thank you, sir.
Take this as a token. Change your wardrobe. Send money back home and make yourself happy. You've been a good boy.
$5,000.
There's more where that comes from.
But wait though. Is he pranking me? He did not look like he was joking the first time. Why did he change his mind?
Why are you here?
I want to talk to you.
No. Hold on. Is it work related?
No, but
No buts. Look, I have an emergency meeting to catch. You might want to drop a message with Annabelle. Alright?
Prof, since when did you start directing me to your domestic workers?
Look here, young one. If there's a message that is important that you need to pass, Annabelle is waiting. Excuse me.
Prof, please wait.
What is it, young woman? What is it?
Prof, what is going on? What you're doing to me is so unfair.
Like I said, I have a meeting to catch.
Okay, fine. Can I at least follow you so we can talk in the car?
Here, use it for transport back home.
Okay, can I follow you to the junction?
You can walk to the junction, right?
Prof!
What?
Under the sun?
Even under the rain, you can. I'm out.
Prof! Prof!
Annabelle, I want to ask you something. Do you have a hand in this Prof's sudden change of mind?
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is, did you agree to sleep with Prof so that he can let me stay back?
How now? No, don't. Why would you ask me that question now? In fact, I consider it very offensive.
But won't be offensive. It's a simple question. It's either yes or no.
I don't know what you're talking. I don't know. I'm just hearing of this. I don't know what you're talking about.
So, you did not agree to sleep with Prof?
No.
You don't have a hand in this?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Odin.
Okay. There's something that I want to talk about with you. This thing I want to say, it's very important too. It's very important. And I don't want you to be angry when you hear it. Eh? Okay. So, I've been noticing that your charge and bail lawyer and Prof used to, like anytime they are together, they are always, this one has passed suspicion safe. This one I've seen it with my eyes, like I know. This is what is happening under this house.
Yeah. Who? Ruth?
Yes.
Don't go there. No, Ruth is not possible now. Me and Ruth, we are planning to get married.
Okay, I know what I'm talking about though.
No. You didn't get this one right. Maybe you're not sure of what you saw.
Okay.
Hey, babe. If you see what Annabelle here was saying, that you and Chief, the one that you're having something, and I told her it's a lie. Because as we are now, we're already planning our wedding. Have fun now. Have you eaten?
I'm not here to see. Annabelle, please, it's Prof upstairs.
Why? Why? Fear women, no? Fear women. She even Bible talk and say, in all thy getting, get money. I will get wisdom. So it's because of money now that you don't they follow this man up and down. Because of money? Hi! Fear what? Fear! I really like this girl. I like him. Prof says to fear anything with this skirt a day. If he sees skirt, he don't move. Oh!
I can see that you girls are really doing a nice job in keeping this place in shape.
Thank you, Prof.
You're welcome.
But Prof, didn't Christabel tell you?
About the wedding she's attending?
Oh, you know.
Of course. Relax. I am not here to see Christabel. I'm actually here to see you.
Me? I don't understand. Why?
Look, I was thinking maybe, you and I could sit and have a drink this evening.
No, that won't be possible, Prof.
Christabel doesn't need to know.
Of course. She won't know.
Good! Smart girl. This is why I like you.
She won't know because I'm not stepping an inch with you.
Oh, please. Are you a child?
Prof, you need to leave. Please.
This is my house.
I don't care. You need to leave. Get out. Prof, aren't you not ashamed of yourself? You've been doing this dirty shit for years, yet you're not tired.
Young girl. Look at me very well. You don't know me.
Of course I do. I know you very, very well. I was one of your students before your abrupt retirement.
I retired honorably. Yes.
Really? You and I know the story. Prof. Dokan, Damian, Dominic. You were called DDD.
Wow. Truly you were my student.
Of course I was. I'm also aware of some of the things you did.
Oh, come off it.
Now get out.
Look, I want to...
Prof, leave! Get out!
Listen to me.
Leave! Get out! Old shameless man.
I wasn't a man of high self-discipline, your friend would have gotten away. Look, she deceived me. Yes, she's a very cunning serpent. She told me that you were back and you were not feeling well. Yes. No. It is not enough to be sorry. You needed to be here to deal with her. Yes. I like this. It sounds good to my ears. All right, bye.
I had no idea she was your girlfriend. I thought people were co-workers and that was why I was...
How would you know? Monkey Siocha, how would you know? When you go around chasing other people's girlfriends. Anyway, if you still want to see Annabelle again, if you don't want her to be lost forever, you have to play by my rules. Do as I say.
As you say, anything you say, I will do it. As far as it will make Annabelle be mine, I'm okay with it now.
Anything I say.
Anything you say, yes.
No problem. 500k.
What?
500,000 naira. Same what?
500k for what exactly? Like, I never knew love was a commodity and could be sold. Why 500k?
Well, I'm selling this one. This one is breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart because this is the love of my life. But I've said now, let me just take this love and sell it to another man. I'm giving the love of my life to another man. That's what you're paying for. Do you know how hard this is for me? Do you know? You they do, you know they do.
Send me your account number on WhatsApp. But what if I send you 300k?
In fact, if you don't send this money by the end of today, it will be 700,000.
500k is too much, but no problem. Just send it. Send your account number.
I've sent it.
Let me check. Okay. First Bank. Okay, I've sent it. Check, you see it. So where do we go from here now that I've sent you the 500,000 naira?
I will let you know.
I thought it's just something we just go inside and see her immediately. Which one is you? Let me know again.
Are you doing or not? You have to play as my rules. Is that not what you said?
Okay, no problem. So I should come here tomorrow. Annabelle. Yes.
Do you like it?
What kind of question is that? How won't I like it? In fact, Seth, do you know the last time I had this kind of food? On top of somewhere that I was even thinking. So anyway.
Hey! What? Don't say that again. If not for you now, she would enjoy all these things. Now. Guess where I bring the money to buy this thing?
Where?
This chicken, guess where I bring the money?
I hope you didn't touch the money that Prof gave to you.
No, I never touched that one. Hey, Mba, Ghana, cover for there. No, it's still intact. This one now, the money from this chicken is from Father Christmas.
Johnny, Father Christmas.
You know that's your estate boyfriend, Mike.
He's
the one.
Oh, are you serious?
I billed him 500k. I'm telling you.
500. Go. I got to Mumu.
Mumu boy.
What a stupid boy.
I told him it's in exchange for you that I'm going to give you to him as his girlfriend.
Oh, use me as collateral.
No, I said Igbo boy. Igbo boy, I'm gonna be. So I'm going to very foolish, but I'm going to look for another avenue. Once this money is finished now, I'll use another scope. Ogini, what happened? Eh? Annabelle. Why did she just switch mood like that? Are you sure there's nothing wrong with her? She has been acting funny in recent times, so. Anyway. Smell no get sense.
Christabel, you are not listening to me. Why should I, you whore? No, tell me. Wait, you just called me a whore. Christabel, you of all people knows me very well. You know what I can do and what I cannot do. But I don't know. People change. Maybe you have. So you went to seduce Prof. Christabel, please stop. Oh, please save me those tears. Save it. You better start saying the truth. That will do us better than all these tears.
Yes, come in.
That's good, sir.
All right. Annabelle, come.
Sir. No, not today, sir.
What do you mean by not today? Eh? Have you forgotten our agreement?
Sir, I've not forgotten, but it would be nice if you can just give me some time.
Look, young girl. I don't take no for an answer. I don't go back on my promises.
Yes, and I meant what I said.
Then let me have my way.
Oh, sir, wait, I'm on my period, so we can't, sir.
I don't understand. Look, this is the same thing you told me last month. Don't joke with me, oh.
So I'm not joking with you. I'm actually in my period, so we can wait till the end of the month.
Get out. Get out!
Wow. What is going on? Why are you not treating me this way?
Go and take care of that your friend that tried to seduce me.
But...
If you don't do that, there is nothing to talk about.
But I asked her and she denied it. She said she never tried to seduce you. And Prof, I've known Kate all my life. She's not that kind of person. She has been there for me in all times, both in difficult times.
So invariably, I lied, right?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. I mean...
Look, if you don't pack her bags and throw it out of that house that I pay with my own money, you will lose that house and also lose so many other things.
But Prof...
We are done here.
Prof! Please hear me out.
Okay, what are you doing here? What is it?
Please, can we just start all over again?
Hey, start where? What else do you have any to say? Any other thing you have to say? Say it because I'm busy.
I'm sorry, we just have to go. You just have to leave the house.
Christabel, please don't do this. You know me too well. You know I can never do something like this. My hands are tight. But trust me, I believe you. It could have been better you explained to him the day you went to see him. And you think I didn't try to talk to him? I tried! Listen, kids. This is not about me. Prof wants you to leave this place. And if I don't do as he says, I'll end up being the only one getting blown up. I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. You just have to go. It's fine. I'll leave.
Are you deaf? Eh?
Sorry, it was the devil's
I don't even have time for this.
Go away, go, auntie, go. Eh? Nobody wants you here. Oga has chased you out of this place. What are you still doing here? Eh?
Ken!
Oga Ken doesn't want to see you. He doesn't want to see you. Pack your things. Pack your auntie, listen to me. Pack yourself, eh? Pack yourself out of this house. Let me just tell you now, you don't cast already. Eh? You've been parading yourself as a charge and bail lawyer. But we know what you've been doing in the secrets.
It was the devil's work.
It was the devil's work. So the devil possessed you to be going from house to house, eh? To be sleeping with different men. Oh, you don't know. You don't know that we know, Abi? Now we know, eh? Today, you will pack yourself out of this house and you will never step your foot. Auntie, are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
You're listening to me. If you're listening to me, you will do as I'm saying now. Eh? Yeah, don't like this. Don't. Go.
Ken, I'm sorry!
Ken is not listening to me. Ken is not here. I don't want to see your dirty, stinking feet inside this house again.
Get out of my house. I picked you from the street. I picked you from the gutters. I gave you a life. I traveled abroad only to come back and you turned my house into a brothel. I'm not your bros. I don't know you. We are not related. We are not related. I don't know you. Get out of my house before I call the cops on you. I don't want to come back and meet you here. I don't want to come back and meet you here. Get out of my house. I've told you. What is this? Carry your property. Get out of my house. Get out. I don't want to see you again.
Wait.
Wait. So now house boy you be all this while, like you were knocking teeth with me, like competing with me when it comes to Annabelle. And you were just squatting. You're not even squatting.
Hey! Where are you? Relax. Even as a house boy like this, my steez now maximum where I won't be.
Plus composure. You add composure, join. Jesus Christ!
See, don't do that one with me. Oh.
Fake life.
Come on, buddy.
I said this thing when I saw you with that iron, what's it called? I said it. I knew.
Hey, listen up, fam. See, steez still there. Steez just there everywhere. You feel me? Steez there every angle. How about this one?
Jesus Christ! How? Hey! Annabelle needs to see this. No, wait, come.
My God. You knew all this about him, but you kept it away from me. Kate, how could you keep such information from me?
You knew you would never believe me. Besides, I was waiting for the right time to tell you.
This is so unbelievable. It's hard to believe.
I thought Prof remembered me. I was one of his old students back in the days. I thought he hated me. Not until he visited your house in your absence.
I can see that you girls are really doing a nice job in keeping this place in shape.
Thank you, Prof.
You're welcome.
But Prof, didn't Christabel tell you?
About the wedding she's attending?
Oh, you know.
Of course. Relax. I am not here to see Christabel. I'm actually here to see you.
Me? I don't understand. Why?
Look, I was thinking maybe, you and I could sit and have a drink this evening.
No, that won't be possible, Prof.
Christabel doesn't need to know.
Of course. She won't know.
Good! Smart girl. This is why I like you.
She won't know because I'm not stepping an inch with you.
Oh, please. Are you a child?
Prof, you need to leave. Please.
This is my house.
I don't care. You need to leave. Get out. Prof, aren't you not ashamed of yourself? You've been doing this dirty shit for years, yet you're not tired.
Young girl. Look at me very well. You don't know me.
Of course I do. I know you very, very well. I was one of your students before your abrupt retirement.
I retired honorably. Yes.
Really? You and I know the story. Prof. Dokan, Damian, Dominic. You were called DDD.
Wow. Truly you were my student.
Of course I was. I'm also aware of some of the things you did.
Oh, come off it.
Now get out.
Look, I want to...
Prof, leave! Get out!
Listen to me.
Leave! Get out! Old shameless man.
So, what do you mean when you told him you knew everything he did? And who was the young lady in the recording?
Amanda. Amanda was one of the students. We gave her something to plant in Prof's office to record all the conversations.
So, why did you people do that? Were you guys suspecting something wrong was going to happen?
Prof is a beast. That man is wicked. Do you know that was the last time we saw Amanda?
Look here. No young girl messes with me and goes scot-free.
But Prof, I didn't fail the course. I even had an A which I saw on the portal. Now I'm seeing an F. I don't understand.
That is how we do it here. If you like, report to the Chancellor. There is nothing he can do about it.
Prof, please. This is my final year. You can't just ruin my life this way. I have worked so hard for this.
Look, I don't want to. But you're forcing me to do that.
Now, Prof, listen. over my dead body, like allow a dog like you to sleep with me.
What did you say? What did you come? Come here. Come here. Is that the reason why you're wearing this very tight pants? You think I can have my way? Hey! Young girl, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up now, wake up, wake up. Hey. My career, my family. See, look, you haven't, can you wake up please? What is it?
We believed he killed her and got rid of the body.
What? Prof did that? So how come he's working a free man today?
Prof is a very influential man who always has his way. Rumors had it then that after investigations, it was found that he killed Amanda. And one of his friends that was the counselor advised him to retire.
So he retired before time?
Yes, and that was how the case died.
Oh my God. This can't be. Kate, how come you have this evidence with you and you kept it to yourself? This man is dangerous and should pay for all the crime he committed. Apart from Amanda, who knows how many young women he did this to?
What are you going to do about it?
We will hand the evidence to the authorities, of course.
And who is going to do that? You, because it will definitely not be me.
Kate, this man knows you already. And I'm sure he knows you are aware of all his secrets. What makes you think he will not come after you?
Let him make the first move. I'm very, very sure that Prof will never dare come after me. I'm sure of that. He won't dare it.
You said this man is dangerous. And if this man is as dangerous as you say he is, then you don't have to take chances. He needs to pay for his crimes.
Christabel, I have to be on my way now. And one more thing. You need to be very, very careful with Prof. Be very careful. Let that recording not step an inch from your phone. I know why I'm telling you this.
But Kate! Kate! I've been with a beast. I've been with a devil. Did you or did you not kill Amanda?
Who is Amanda?
(2018) February 3rd, Greenfield University.
I see. How did you know about it? Kate told you, right?
This is not about Kate speaking to me. This is about how much of a monster you are.
Are you stupid?
You killed that innocent girl, got rid of her body, then played your retirement just to shield your shameless self from the claws of the law.
Get out of my house this minute.
I am not scared of you. Prof, Duncan, Damian, Dominic, your days are numbered.
Get out of my house.
I am going to tell the whole world who you are.
Get out!
You are a devil!
Get out.
It's been a while. I want to Sophia. Hey. Annabelle. Oginiko.
Look again. It's looking like I'll just pack my things and leave tomorrow.
Leave tomorrow to where? Sit down now and talk to me.
I don't feel like sitting down.
Yeah?
You're actually right. Remember all those times when you were suspicious about why Chief allowed you to stay back? It was because I made a deal with Chief.
Hi! I said it! That the way Chief acted, there was something very suspicious about it. Eh? So what deal did you make with Chief?
But I have his way with me.
Hey! Or have to go where you want?
No. See, it's just that anytime he wants to do it, I'll just be telling him all kinds of excuses. I'll just be giving you one line like that. I'm just tired at this point. I can't do this anymore, I beg. I'm just tired.
So, after everything I spoke to Chief about, he was still coming to you.
Hey, reduce your voice.
No, reduce my voice for what? Can you give me my microphone so that I will be staying here and be doing what? Okay. While he wants to take advantage of you.
Wait now.
So from what you are saying now, she tried to kill you.
Christabel has always wanted me dead. She tried poisoning me before. 2 times.
Guinea. So why were you allowing her come around all this while?
I believe in giving people second chances.
Yeah.
Wait. So you killed her out of self-defense?
The law might not interpret it that way. I could still end up in jail.
Well, you said she kept trying to kill you. Why?
You see, Christabel is the only person that knows about all my properties. And you know very well that she is in charge. So, I suppose she wanted me dead. So that she would take everything. Look, I beg you, let nothing of what happened this night get out to any ear. Please. Ken, please. I beg both of you, please. Nobody should know about this. Please. 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 I beg you, please.
What are we going to do now? What are we going to do?
I don't even know. But you see, Prof, I don't trust this man.
For me, sir, don't trust him. See, just
pack our things. Let's pack our things and leave this house. Let's pack our things and leave this house.
Abby.
Yes.
Wait. You know that if we leave, they will say that we ran. And they will come for us. They will automatically say that we're his accomplice. What I think we should do is, let's just be here and make sure that Chief does not run away. Let's be monitoring his movements. So we take person inside this room now. A dead person is here. What's it down? What if we are the next people? Let's be
You guys are still here?
Yes. We're just making sure that everyone is safe. I will be here till morning.
Morning?
Yeah. She will sleep here. I'll just manage here. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Oga Ken, I just wanted to say thank you for everything, for looking after me. In fact, it's now that I realize why my mother handed me over to you. I just want to appreciate you so much. Thank you.
We thank God. Thank God. Your mother is a very good woman. Very nice, at least, if not for anything. The fact that she could trust me. But I'm not the only one that deserves thanks here. Because you too, you helped me. I was in if not for you, I would have ended up with that church and be a lawyer. That is good for nothing. I was just trying to deceive me and chop the small money that I've saved in my life. And so I thank you too. I'm glad that all these things now have passed away. It's over. It's over. Prof has been exposed. He has been arrested.
That's true. Now that he's been arrested, what do we do now? What's our next step? Do we stay? Do we go back to the village? Which one?
If I tell you that I've not been thinking about it, then I'll be a liar. I've been thinking. And to be honest, I don't know yet what we are going to do. It's obvious we cannot keep staying in this house now. It's not our house. But Okefuru village, me and village now. Nothing concern me and village. Everybody know that I'm now in Lagos. I cannot start going back there. But let's just lay low. Give it some days. Police will not pursue us. They are not pursuing us. They found out Prof and they've carried him. If there's anything, we will now know from there. Let's relax first and rest. Me, I'm tired. Have you eaten? You've not been eating well. Go on, come. Let me get and look for something to make. At least there's a lot of food stuff. If we say now 1 month we are here, hunger will not kill us. Go on.
Thank you. You're welcome.
He's a player. Everything on sketch catches his eyes. He's a player. You wanna have every woman around him. He's a player. He's never too old for this game. He's a player. He's a player. He is black or white. He has no spec. Tall or short, fat or slim, he wants them all. There is no limit to the way he goes out there. There is no limit, he just wants to have them all. He's a player. Everything on sketch catches his eyes. He's a player. You wanna have every woman around him. He's a player. He's never too old for this game. He's a player. He's a player. He is. There is money to spend, no woman to spare. Whatever it takes, it's gonna do it for the guru get it. He no one retire. He know they get